success for everyone. Everyone have different destination, definition about success. So just follow your heart, choose what you want.
Okay, so everyone has a different definition of success.
Yes. Yes.
Do you think university education should be free for everyone?
um, I think I'm not sure, but for the baby born rate,
The
I
birth
think
rate, for the birth
for
rate.
yes, it's decrease from year to year.
Mm.
So I found so many primary school closed recently, and during the time, uh, most of primary and middle and high will closed. So for the university, they have to think idea how to um, keep the student join the university. So I think money is not very important. Free, maybe they will think, because for the good university, price is much lower.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, mm.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, there's a couple of in a couple of countries, some people, the younger generation, are thinking that university degree is not important anymore. Learning
Yeah.
a skill is important.
Yes.
Yeah, doing something like that.
And a good eh, how to say this word, maybe uh, psychological state,
Mental state. Mental
mental
state.
state
Yeah.
is very important. Um, for
Mm.
the people, we can accept um, the change,
Mm.
because in this generation, everything always change every day. So for the mental state is very important. You can keep stable and have a positive attitude for everything. If you don't have mental state, mm, maybe you don't want to live longer or live in this world.
If
It's terrible,
if you don't have
awful.
a healthy mental state. Yes.
Yeah.
Mm. Everyone has a mental state, but some are not healthy. They are in a bad mental state. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So, did you enjoy your time at school?
10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes was meaning.
Did you enjoy your time at school?
Ah, no.
No.
No, 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 no. In that school time, I
Mm-hmm.
was so confused. Nobody could help me and give me any advice. They just said, "Work, studied hard. When you went to university, everything was better." But it's a liar.
It's a lie. Oh dear.
Yeah, you just cite opinion and results that you didn't give me any idea or ways how to adjust myself.
Mm.
Nobody,
Mm.
because maybe other people also didn't know. So they just said, insist. Oh, it's terrible. It's awful for um, school school life. I think for most of Chinese students, we hide the same feeling.
Mm. I see. So, if someone said we would like you to go back to school, you would say, "Not for me, thank
No,
you."
no, no. I don't want to. I do. I reject. No, 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 no. It's terrible.
Mm.
I think when I was 30 years old,
Mm.
I was awake about life, myself, and the future.
Mm.
I can. could understand what goals I want to achieve. I think in that state, I find happy. Mm, I reject.
I found happiness, or I was happy. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay, and are you going to take the driving license test again
Yes. After 10 days.
after
Oh,
10 days?
I feel two
Twice,
tests.
twice.
Test,
Okay.
test. Oh my god. It's my first time to feel something.
Oh,
And I feel twice.
oh, shame,
Yeah.
shame.
But
Yeah.
I think I was okay because I can adjust myself
Mm-hmm.
and I also review what I feel about subject two.
Mm.
So I change my way how to get geo lessons next time.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, I suppose it's not easy going for the driving license test. It's y Do you feel nervous when you go for the test?
No, no, just
No.
some skill I'm not familiar with.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, and so are you learning to drive the manual car or the automatic car?
Uh, Automatic.
Automatic. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, it's easier. It's much easier.
Yes. uh, it's very interesting embarrass. I found when I resigned from last job,
Hmm.
I was positive for something. It's okay.
Mm. Yeah, my daughter went for the manual one and she failed once. She tried again. She failed twice. Then she went for the automatic and she got it. She passed first time. So she was happy.
Okay, congratulations.
Mm.
I met my English teacher. I asked about the results.
Mm.
He also said he passed. Oh my god!
Oh, shame. Okay, so he passed.
And
Mm.
uh, she
Mm.
the exam just said English for any exam, so it's hard to him, but he also passed.
Oh, okay. Very good.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah, it's very smart.
Mm. Yeah. My son already went once. He failed. He's going to go
Wow.
again now I think in August. He's going to go for the second
Oh,
time. Mm,
yeah. I think
yeah.
safe is very important. If they can guide license, we are patient. Maybe they can go to the road.
Yes, that's right. So he's
Mm.
going to do the manual one again. He doesn't want to do automatic. He wants to do manual. Yeah. Because he wants to be a car mechanic. And to be a car mechanic, you need the manual driver's license.
Oh, so
Yeah. And then once you got your license, are you going to buy a car?
I'm not sure because Shenzhen's traffic is very bad. It's not easy to drive car in the road. I'm afraid of when I drive in the road, I have a
Have
terrible
an
traffic.
traffic,
Hit
yes.
some car.
Have an accident. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. And another part, I think car is very cheap, and it's a product. If you buy it, it's cheaper. So I also think if I have a driver lesson, uh, will I buy a much expensive car or cheap car? I also don't know. So
So,
just Mm,
So it depends on whether you enjoy driving. If you like driving, you want to get a
mm.
very nice car because you want to drive in a nice environment, be
Ah,
comfortable, have
yeah.
nice sound system, uh, maybe have a sunroof if you want it
Yeah,
open.
yeah, you are
Uh,
right.
but if you
Mm,
don't like driving, you hate it, you just want to get from point A to point B, then you buy the cheap one. It's why waste
yeah.
your money on expensive if you don't care about it.
Mm,
So you get
you
two
are right.
different types of people. You have people who hate driving but do it because they have to, and people who love driving like me. So I would go
Yeah.
for the expensive one, but my wife would go for the cheap one because she hates driving. She doesn't like it.
Yeah, yeah, I think so. Maybe when I get driver lessons, I will think about what kind of situation I want to achieve.
Yes. That's important is knowing,
Yeah,
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 whether you like it or not. Yes.
yes.
Mm.
We don't have enough time, and
Yeah,
see you
okay.
next time.
All right. Keep well. See you. Take care.
Bye.
Don't be a stranger. Bye.
Okay, bye bye.